Getting a new card from the bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you will need to visit your bank's website or branch to determine the types of cards they offer, such as debit cards, credit cards, or prepaid cards. Each type of card has its own unique features and benefits, so it is essential to choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you have selected the type of card you want, you will need to gather the required documents, which typically include a valid government-issued ID, proof of address, and proof of income. The specific documents required may vary depending on the bank and the type of card you are applying for. Next, you will need to fill out the application form, which can usually be done online or in person at the bank. The application form will ask for personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and employment details. It is crucial to provide accurate and complete information to avoid any delays in the application process. After submitting your application, the bank will review it and verify the information you provided. This may involve a credit check, which will help the bank determine your eligibility for the card. If your application is approved, the bank will send you a new card in the mail, which usually takes a few days to arrive. When you receive your new card, you will need to activate it by following the instructions provided by the bank. This may involve calling a phone number or visiting the bank's website to confirm your identity and activate the card. Once your card is activated, you can start using it to make purchases, withdraw cash, or pay bills. It is essential to keep your card and personal identification number, or PIN, safe and secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. You should also review your card agreement and terms and conditions to understand the fees, interest rates, and other charges associated with your card. Overall, getting a new card from the bank is a simple and convenient process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following these steps and providing accurate and complete information, you can get a new card and start enjoying the benefits and convenience it provides.